Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality and do follow profile backlink and a social bookmarking backlink in this website. Okay, so the website name is joininter.com. So this is a website URL and this is a very reputative and the high authoritative website. So definitely you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay. So before this started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 61, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 41, and the spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website, traffic. So let me refresh once, and then. So according to similar web, this website having 32.6K monthly visits and mostly traffic from India, USA, Pakistan, Vietnam, and Australia. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and sign up button. And there is 2 to 3 options you can consider according to your preferable. So I can proceed with email. So there you can put your email address. Then after you can click on the send 6-digit code. And after this, I will send you the verification code over your Gmail. So you can check. So I received. You can copy the OTP and you can paste here. Then after you can click on confirm and here you can update your profile details. So like my name is Pravindra. Then after that you can use your username. So username should be DML training. There you can select your title. So I'm doing digital marketing. Then after you can there you can put your company name. So my company name is DML training. Then after you can see there is do you want to do on entire to start a business something you can select anything according to your category and then you can add your location Delhi India. Then after you can click on the finish and you can click on no thank you and you can click on done. So you can see our profile is successfully created. Now you can see there is some coins are available, so you can claim a first coin. Then after you can see complete your profile, so you can click on this and you can see this is your profile. So first we can upload a profile picture. Then after you can click on save and there you can put your website URL and there you can put your bio. So let me copy bio from the bottom there I added. And once you guys will complete these things, so there you can select from there something marketer. And then what topic do you interested? So there you can select your category. Then after you can click on save changes once you complete your all profile details. So you can see our profile is successfully created. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL and this is your all details. Okay, so now we created our profile. Now the time is to you can click on the create button and you can see there is a post option. You can click on this. So there you can post anything kind of social bookmarking things. So suppose let me create a social bookmarking backlink for this page URL to HTML hyperlink converter. And also you guys will use this tool for the URL to keyword to HTML hyperlink converter. Recently I created this tool, so if is this useful for you, so you can definitely consider using this tool. Might be helpful for you guys, so that's why I created. And there you can put your website URL directly. There is no any requirement you can add any HTML hyperlink code. You can directly paste your code here. And I love to insert any video here. So let me and then after you can click on the post button, then you can cross this. You can click on view, click on content.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
And you can see this is your backlink. Now you can click on share button. So this is your this social bookmarking landing page URL. So let me copy. I copied this URL, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is an instant approved backlink, and if I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink, so you will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we created a very high quality do follow social bookmarking backlink and the profile backlink on this website. So overall, this is the process to creating backlink on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request to you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.